In Python, the string rfind method finds the last index of a certain string within another string. Say you have the string llama and you're doing rfind to search for the letter Q within llama. Since llama has no Q, rfind would return -1. Staying on llama, what happens if you're searching for a string that occurs multiple times within the same string? For instance, what if you did rfind for the letter L in llama? Rfind is defined to return the last occurrence of a string that occurs multiple times, so the index would be 1, not 0. So what happens if you just search a regular string like ma in llama? Ma only occurs once, so rfind simply returns the index ma starts at, that being 3. You can provide an index to start the search at within the string. If you did rfind on llama and search for the letter L again, but you specified the starting index to be 2, then the index will be -1. This is because L occurs nowhere from the second index in the string onwards. Finally, in rfind, you can supply a starting index and the first index to exclude. You could bring back llama one last time and do rfind for the letter A, starting at index 0, going up to but not including index 4. That index will be index 2. Even though rfind returns the last occurrence of the string within the range of 0 to 3, A only occurs once at index 2.